Ever since the day that you went away.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be looking at some extracts from HighKind. We've got a cashmere here, which is some CBD crumble, and we've got some special sauce here, which is CBD diamonds in sauce, which I haven't actually seen around. So this is a whole new experience for me. We're going to be looking at these products today. We're going to be trying them out, giving them a little smell, giving them a little taste, and telling you guys what the effects are like and showing you what the effects are like on camera. So let's look at these products. So first off, we're going to look at this cashmere CBD crumble, and the packaging is amazing. You've got tons of information on the sides of this box to tell you everything you need to know about this product, which is super handy. We're going to pop the lid on this cashmere and give you guys a little smell test. And I'm getting a few different smells from this one. I'm getting maybe a slight haze smell from this, but I am getting quite a sweet lavender smell off it as well. Getting a few different smells off this one though. It smells nice and strong, and you can definitely tell that this stuff is fresh. And now let's look at the diamonds in sauce. And again, you've got all the information you're gonna need on the box. 700 milligrams of CBD here. I'm gonna take the lid off and give you another little smell test. And this one smells stronger. I'm definitely getting a haze smell from this one. A little bit of sour, maybe a little bit of citrus. These diamonds, they smell so good. Amazing. But I've got to say, both of these extracts smell amazing. And another thing I've got to say is the terpenes that are in these extracts are flower-derived terpenes. So they're not synthetic. They're not some random smell that they've put together. These terpenes come from flower. So when you smell these extracts, you can really tell the difference. These actually smell like real terpenes. So we've got our rig all set up. We're going to start off with the CBD crumble. We're going to do a 30-second heat up on the banger. We're going to do a 20-second cool down. And let's see how that comes out. Here we go. Let's see what this crumble's like. Wow. Oh, those flavors. You can definitely taste that lavender. The lavender is definitely the strong taste I'm getting from that first hit. And as you can see from my eyes, that was a proper hit. I think that one might have been a little hot. So now we're going to move over to the diamonds. I think I'm going to do about a 30-second heat up and a 30-second cool down and see what results we get from that. Here we go. Wow, those flavors were unreal. That haziness I thought I could smell turned into almost like a sweet haze. There's some sweetness in that flavor. Ooh, they're hitting hard. Oh, wow. That hit was so good with the diamonds that I'm going to try it one more time in this rig before we move to the next unit. Wow. Yeah, you can just tell that those terpenes have came from flower. Wow, mouth-watering terpenes those are. So now we're going to put this down and pick up our titanium, and we're going to take some hits of these extracts through this, which should be very fun. And now let's move to the titanium. Let's start with some diamonds. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. That was pretty hot. So now let's move on to the crumble. Wow. Yeah, you really can taste that lavender straight away. Whew. I'm getting a dab sweat right now. So we've hit these extracts in a dab rig. We've hit these extracts in a titanium. And there's one more place I want to hit these extracts, because I know this is a very popular way that people use extracts, and I had to feature it in this video and show you guys what these extracts are like with it. We've got the Dynacoil in there. I'm going to have a little mess around. We're going to see how the Dynavap manages these extracts. So there's a specific way that I heat up extracts in the Dynavap, and that is getting the oven warmed up with the coil inside without the cap on. And then once I feel as though that oven is nice and warm, I then drop my extract into the coil, which is starting to melt. I put the cap on, which is not hot, and then I heat it at the bottom until the cap clicks. And that is going to just melt up all of those extracts and get them to the right temperature for when that click comes. Wow, that is not bad at all. The flavour on that. Wow. There's a sweetness in there. It's kind of like toffee. It's so strange, and a flavour that I've never tasted before. There's like a really sweet, like toffee or caramel taste to those diamonds. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to quickly heat up the oven. We're going to drop our extracts right on top of the Dynacoil so they melt, which is why we heated up the oven the first time, to help us get the melt off into the coil. I'm going to put the cap on, heat it up, wait for that click, which should be pretty quick because I always heat up at the bottom of the cap, which is the quickest heater, the most heat. I wait for that click and then we hit. This is the crumble. Wow. Do you know what? I'm actually really surprised by how well that Dynavap did with those extracts. And also, oh, I'm sweating again. I also have the most runny nose right now. And that is the session done with these HighKind extracts. And I have to say that these are something special. I will say one of the biggest things for me about these extracts is those flower-derived terpenes. They make such a big difference when it comes to the smell, but definitely when it comes to the taste. The flavour of these extracts, they're just next level. But I will say, they taste and smell so familiar. There's no made-up names, there's no made-up terpenes. These are terpenes taken from flower, and you can smell it, and you can taste it. The flavour of these are special, especially these diamonds. No one's doing these diamonds in sauce, and HighKind have done it and they really are special. This was a special experience for me to be trying out these products. The effects were amazing. I pulled the right side of my back earlier on in work doing some shovel work. Where's that pain gone? It's almost like I used these extracts and my body was like, yeah, well, we'll forget about all of your pain now, you know? The HighKind extracts are here. Let's just forget about all your pain. I did leg day yesterday, so my body is just naturally being really tired. And today I've had one of those kind of days. Tired, achy, don't want to do anything. But I will say, these really did lift me up. They've given me energy. They've made me a bit more sharp. And they've taken away all of that pain that I've been dealing with today. So I've got to say, these extracts, they're amazing. Like I said, the Diamonds in Sauce, no one's doing this. This is really special stuff here. But the Crumble is amazing also. Smells great. Definitely dabbed well. But both of these dabbed well. Amazing. The looks, the smell, the flavour, the effects. I would say that these are an all-day type of extract as well. I don't feel tired from dabbing these, and I had quite a big session. I do feel calm and relaxed from these extracts, but at the same time, I also feel quite switched on and alert, and I've had a clear head ever since I took that first dab. I've had no thoughts through this whole dab session. I've been able to just get into them, try them out, and have a nice session. Very clear-headed, but focused and alert, calm, relaxed, and the pain relief on these, they're special. So I don't really know what else to say, guys. I've had my session with these HighKind extracts. There's something else. These are amazing.